The lower classes you have studied, which are the number systems. The first system is natural numbers. It is denoted by the letter n. 1, 2, 3, etc. are the natural numbers. Natural numbers also called counting numbers because we are using these numbers to count. 1, 2, 3, etc. are extending to right side. It is infinite numbers. As it is going to right side, its value is increasing. Second number system is whole numbers. It is denoted by the letter W. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are the whole numbers. Integers, it is denoted by the letter Z. Z is originated from the German word zählen. It means to count. Integers is extending to both direction, left and right. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are the integers. 1, 2, 3, etc. are the positive integers. -1, -2, -3, etc. are the negative integers. Next, rational numbers. It is denoted by the letter Q. Q is for quotient. A number of the form P by Q where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are the rational numbers. A number written in the form P by Q where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. For example, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. Now let us discuss some questions. Write it true or false. First question, every whole number is a natural number. We just see it is true or false. All the whole numbers are natural numbers or not. The answer is false. The number 0 is a whole number but it is not a natural number. Second question, every integer is a rational number. You can see the answer. It is true. For example, 2. 2 is an integer. 2 can be written in the P by Q form 2 by 1. Third question, every rational number is an integer. You can see the answer. It is false. For example, 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a rational number but it is not an integer. Next, every natural number is a whole number. You can see the answer. It is true. We know all the natural numbers are whole numbers also. Next question, every integer is a whole number. You can see the answer. It is false. For example, -3. It is an integer but it is not a whole number. Next question, every rational number is a whole number. Rationalize the denominator of the following. First question, 1 by root 7. Now you can see the denominator is root 7. It is an irrational number. We have to change the number with a rational denominator. So let us see how to make it. So 1 by root 7, you make or multiply both the numerator and denominator with root 7. So 1 by root 7 into root 7 by root 7. So numerator 1 into root 7, that is equal to root 7. Denominator root 7 into root 7, that we know it is equal to 7. So that number changed to this form, root 7 by 7. Here the denominator is a rational number. Next question, 1 by root 2. So the answer is 1 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2, that is equal to root 2 by 2. Denominator is a rational number. Next question, 1 by 2 plus root 3. This question is having a little difference from the previous question. This is a binomial. So here it was root 7, so multiplied with root 7 by root 7. Here it was root 2, so we multiplied with root 2 by root 2. Here it is a binomial 2 plus root 3. So you have to multiply the conjugate. That means 2 plus root 3. You have to multiply with 2 minus root 3. So the steps, 1 by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. So 1 into 2 minus root 3, it is 2 minus root 3. Denominator 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. It is of the form a plus b into a minus b. That is equal to a square minus b square. So it becomes 2 square minus root 3 square. So that is equal to 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus 3. 2 square is 4. Root 3 square is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So the denominator is 1. So we can write that is equal to 2 minus root 3. Next question, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So we can do 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. Here it is root 7 minus root 6. So you have to multiply with the root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. So that is equal to root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 square minus root 6 square. That is equal to root 7 plus root 6 by 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So that is equal to root 7 plus root 6. Next question, 1 by root 5 plus root 2. So you have to multiply with root 5 minus root 2. So 1 by root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 minus root 2. That is equal to root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 square minus root 2 square. That is equal to root 5 minus root 2 by 5 minus 2. That is equal to root 5 minus root 2 by 3. Next question, 1 by root 7 minus 2. So 1 by root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2 by root 7 plus 2. That is equal to root 7 plus 2 by root 7 square minus 2 square. A plus b into a minus b. So that is equal to root 7 plus 2 by 7 minus 4. That is equal to root 7 plus 2 by 3. Next question, 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. So the steps, 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2 into 7 minus 3 root 2 by 7 minus 3 root 2. That is equal to 7 minus 3 root 2 by here 7 square minus 3 root 2 square. That is equal to 7 minus 3 root 2 by 7 square. That is 49. 3 root 2 square. This you have to square like this. Find the square of 3 and find the square of root 2 and multiply. Square of 3 is 9. Square of root 2 is 2. So 9 into 2. So 7 minus 3 root 2 by 49 minus 18. That is 7 minus 3 root 2 by 31. A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. A raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m whole raised to n equal to a raised to mn. A raised to m into b raised to m equal to ab whole raised to m. A raised to m divided by b raised to m equal to a divided by b whole raised to m. 1 by a raised to m equal to a raised to minus m. And here I have written two more laws of exponents. Nth root of a equal to a raised to 1 by n. Nth root of a equal to a raised to 1 by n. Then another one, nth root of a raised to m equal to a raised to m by n, where a is a real number, m and n are integers such that m and n have no common factors other than 1 and n greater than 0. So let us discuss the question. First question, 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 3. Here the law is a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So that is equal to 2 raised to 3 by 3, because here the denominators are same, we can add it. So that is equal to 2 raised to 1 equal to 2. Second question, 1 by 3 raised to 5 whole raised to 4. First we can change this one. The law 1 by a raised to m equal to a raised to minus m. So 1 by 3 raised to 5 equal to 3 raised to minus 5 whole raised to 4. Then next law, a raised to m whole raised to n equal to a raised to mn. So this is equal to 3 raised to minus 20. Again we can change that to negative sign. So that is equal to 1 by 3 raised to 20. Third question, 7 raised to 1 by 5 divided by 7 raised to 1 by 3. The law is a raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So 7 raised to 1 by 5 divided by 7 raised to 1 by 3 equal to 7 raised to 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3 I have subtracted here by using cross multiplication method. We got minus 2 by 15. So the answer is 7 raised to minus 2 by 15. Next question, 13 raised to 1 by 5 into 17 raised to 1 by 5. Here the law is a raised to m into b raised to m equal to ab whole raised to m. So 13 raised to 1 by 5 into 17 raised to 1 by 5 equal to 13 into 17 whole raised to 1 by 5. That is equal to 221 whole raised to 1 by 5. Next question, 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. Here the law is a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5 equal to 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 I have added here. We go to 13 by 15. So the answer is 2 raised to 13 by 15. Next question, find 64 raised to 1 by 2. Here 64 raised to 1 by 2. The law is nth root of a equal to a raised to 1 by n. So if here 1 by n comes, we are writing it as nth root of a. So here 1 by 2 comes. So we can write it as square root of 64. We know square root of 64 is 8 because 8 into 8 is 64. Second question, 32 raised to 1 by 5. Here 1 by 5 comes. So we can write it as fifth root of 32. Fifth root of 32 is 2 because 2 is multiplying 5 times we get 32. Next question, 125 raised to 1 by 3. That we can write as cube root of 125. What is cube root of 125? It is 5 because 5 is multiplying 3 times to get 125. Next question is 9 raised to 3 by 2. The law is nth root of a raised to m equal to a raised to m by n. So if m by n here, then it is nth root of a raised to m. So we can write this as square root of 9 whole raised to 3. We know square root of 9 is 3. So 3 raised to 3, that is equal to 27. Next question, 32 raised to 2 by 5. That we can write as fifth root of 32 whole square. Fifth root of 32 is 2. We found it here. So this is equal to 2 square, that is equal to 4. Next question is 16 raised to 3 by 4. That is equal to fourth root of 16 whole raised to 3. Fourth root of 16 is 2. So 2 raised to 3, that is equal to 8. Next question is 125 whole raised to minus 1 by 3. Here negative power comes. So that is equal to 1 by 125 whole raised to 1 by 3. We know 125 whole raised to 1 by 3 is 5. So that is equal to 1 by 5. Let us draw the number line and mark the numbers on it. Here I have drawn a number line and I marked 0 here, 1, 2, 3, etc. in the positive direction, minus 1, minus 2, etc. in the negative direction. Each number is having 1 unit distance. After that, from the point 1, I have drawn the perpendicular line by using protractor. After that, on that perpendicular line, I have drawn an arc at a distance of 1 unit up. This 1 unit distance we can take by using a compass. Keep the compass on the point 0 and take the distance 0 to 1. After that, keep the compass on the point 1 and mark the point and draw the arc. Now, let us join that new point and our number 0. Now, here we can see a triangle is formed. Let us give name for that triangle. The number 0 we can name as O, here A and here B, And now we have got a right triangle OAB. Here OA is the base, AB is the height, and OB is the hypotenuse. We know the length of OA is 1 unit, length of AB is also 1 unit. The length of OB we don't know. We can find out the length of OB by using Pythagoras theorem. In triangle OAB, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square, that is equal to 1 square plus 1 square. So we get hypotenuse square equal to 2. Therefore, hypotenuse equal to root of 2, that is equal to root 2 unit. So the hypotenuse, that is OB, is root 2 unit. So this is the length root 2 unit. That length let us draw to the number line. So now you see the figure here, this OB, take that length by using a compass and draw that arc to the number line. The point where it touches the number line is the location of the root 2 on the number line. Now let us discuss how to locate root 3 on the number line. First, you follow the same procedure for location of root 2 on the number line. After the formation of this triangle OAB, you just extend this line OP a little more, then draw the perpendicular line from the point B. Then you take 1 unit distance and mark 1 unit distance and draw the arc there. 1 unit distance, we know how to take the distance from 0 to 1 is the 1 unit distance that we can mark by using a compass. After that we can draw this arc. Now let us give name for that point, that is C, and you join this OC. Now there is formed one more right triangle. It is triangle OBC. Here base is OB with length root 2 unit. Height is BC with length 1 unit. Hypotenuse we don't know what is the length. So let us find out the length of hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. In triangle OBC, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square, that is equal to root 2 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 2 plus 1, that is hypotenuse square equal to 3, hypotenuse equal to root 3 unit. So we got the length of OC is root 3 unit. So take that distance by using a compass. It is root 3 unit, and mark to the number line by drawing an arc. Then we can mark or locate root 3 on the number line.